Cooking with
Gabby.
Gabby. What are you gonna make today, Gabby?
Waffle.
Waffles? Okay. I'll take some waffles, please.
I'm the cookie.
You gonna cook it? Okay.
That's good. I get it out.
You gonna get it out? Oh my goodness.
No, wait.
What's in there?
It's
What's in there? Spaghetti? What's in that one?
strawberries.
Strawberries?
Cook.
What else is in there?
That's no more.
Before you cook, what are you supposed to do? Wash your hands. Wash your hands first. Both of them. 2 hands. Shh, good job. All right, you can turn it off. Ooh, it looks like you got a pizza in the oven too. Wow. You showing me? Looks so good. Turn it on. You gotta turn it on. Good job. That looks so good. What is that? Broccoli. You gonna put it in the spaghetti? So we're gonna have spaghetti broccoli?
Go.
Well, I think you should cook what's in there first and then you can make that.
Okay.
Or you can use this one. You have another one down here. How about that one? Cause look, that one works too. Oh my goodness.
I need this. I need this. I need this. I need popcorn. I need this.
Oh my goodness. What is that? Popcorn?
Yeah. I think so. I need popcorn.
That's the popcorn?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You are making so much food.
I think so.
Is that meat done yet?
No. Not yet.
Not yet?
No.
Do you need to get a plate?
Wait. Are you hungry?
Huh?
Are you hungry?
Am I hungry? Yes, I'm so hungry. My belly's hurting because I'm so hungry.
Okay. I made you.
You gonna make me food? Thank you.
It's all done.
It's all done? Okay, put it on the plate. Here's your plates down here. Right here. They're down there. Look. Look at that. You want the pink plate?
Yep.
Okay. Oh my goodness. You might want to get another plate. Oh, okay. That's an interesting combination. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be so full.
Okay. I need put on here. No, it's not put on there. It's put on here.
Can I have my food, please?
Wait, I need to wash it.
You need to wash it.
Yeah. Because it's dirty.
Can I have something to drink?
Yeah. I just have. Do you want this one?
Yes, please.
That's your small.
Yeah.
It's
Can
your
you? Can I
small.
have some water in it? I'll take that one. What color is that cup?
Blue.
And what color is the one in your hand?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. Get me something to drink right here. Right here. Down there. Push it.
It's all done.
All done.
Give me ice.
Oh, I need ice. Okay, thank you.
Red.
Thank you. Here you girl. I think your pizza's done.
Oh, it's okay. I did my pizza done. Okay.
Is it hot? It's not hot?
No.
Oh,
Pickle.
I can have the whole pizza?
Yeah.
Thank you. You need to cut it?
This one.
Oh, you gonna use the pizza cutter? Okay.
I can work. Whoa. I got her thing.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's stuck. There you
I
go.
got it.
You gotta put it on the plate.
Oh, where's the plate?
I think it's at the bottom.
A bottle?
Over here. And that one.
Oh.
Whoa, what color is that plate? Blue. Can I get a blue plate, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's a bill.
It fell. It's okay.
It's okay. I just know them.
All right. Say thank you for watching. Say cooking with.
I'm cooking more.
You want to cook some more? Say okay, guys. Say have a nice night. Say thanks for cooking with
Gabby.
Gabby.